This is our series on Foxit accessibility. We have a table open here, and you will notice when I run the accessibility checker, there's a series of issues with this table. Now I'm going to pause for a moment. So how do we fix all of these errors? Well, the first thing we should look at the tag structure. So if I go over to the tags here, I can see that there's the table, and when I click it selects the table, and then there's a table row. Oh, but the table row is not correct. It's not reading the top of it. And then there's table data, and then there's table data again. And notice what it's selecting as I go through. And it is not picking up across the top the table header. So how do we fix that? Well, let's collapse the sidebar, and across the accessibility ribbon we're going to navigate into this reading order, and you can see the reading order comes up as number 1. Now I'm going to direct you to the little sidebar here, and we are looking at the page content order. We could also look at the structure types, and we could change the little indicators here. Now I'm just going to right click directly over there, and I'm going to go into the table editor. Now the table editor has not picked up these cells across the top as heading. So I'm just going to select that area. You can see the light blue, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to table cell properties, and I'm going to define them as header cells. But are they expanding across rows, columns, or both? We're going to say that there are headers across columns, and we're going to say OK. Now let's go back to our accessibility checker here. We're only worried about these table issues. Let's right click and check again, and they have passed. And that's how we fix a lot of the table related errors in our Foxit PDF. If you've liked this video, please click the little like button down below and subscribe.